If you have to build an AI application for healthcare, like with which you could diagnose, say, tuberculosis or cataract or something, you will need a few elements there. You will need access to X-ray images, which are anonymized, you will need access to compute layer, you will need access to models. So what we are saying is that all the ingredients that are required to build up an agent for building a tool for diagnosing tuberculosis will be made available as a common resource. And those who are innovating it will be able to mix and match, play it, take some data from some source, take some data from other source, and try to bring in their own ingenuity to build an application. Like, for example, if farmers have to be given a service, and farmers have to be given a service for limiting the amount of water that they are using for irrigation, they will need data from the Indian Meteorological Department, the weather data, they will need the crop history data, they will need the soil health card data. If we are able to make these data sets available, then those who are trying to build models can kind of analyze these, bring in their own creativity and ingenuity, and build in use cases and applications which will solve real world problems. And when that happens, we'll be able to really create value and empower people. We can expand this to manufacturing, we can expand this to retail, we can expand this to enterprises becoming more efficient. Instead of getting into a mad rush of building newer models and trillion parameter models, we can work with existing specialized sectoral models which might be smaller, which might be more attuned to be installed on-prem, and build use cases that will result in value creation.
Even on mobile?
Even in mobile, ultimately.
Because India is a mobile-driven economy.
And ultimately, edge AI is going up. If there's a woman living in a tribal area, she has limited requirements of maybe the local market, maybe the transportation systems, maybe some information about entertainment. If we are able to create personalized experiences which relies on the principles of these Gen AI tools, but offer these services on a localized, hyper-local way with low latency, zero latency, then that's where adoption will happen at population scale.